How to change name on DoorDash driver app. So first up, once you sign up as a driver on the Dasher app, your first name will appear on your account profile as it's displayed to customers and merchants during deliveries. Now, to change your preferred name, you can change it to common nicknames of your first, last, or middle name, initials, and your middle name only. Keep in mind that you may not impersonate other individuals or use inappropriate words. So, to update your profile with a preferred name in the Dasher app, open the app and go to Account. Once you do that, select Profile. And once you're in Profile, you can update your preferred name and save it. Keep in mind that this is the Dasher app, and any changes to your customer account profile will not be reflected in your Dasher account. So be sure to update your preferred name on your Dasher app. And that is how you update your name on the DoorDash driver app.